Confident English Daily. Real conversations, real confidence.
Hey, welcome to Confident English Daily. Do you think you can rock English like a pro? I'm Sarah. Today we're showing you exactly how to start conversations and make new friends confidently in English. Don't skip. This one can change your social life. Let's go. Kabir, I saw you talking to so many new people today. You looked so natural. I was standing in the corner feeling awkward and nervous. How do you do it?
Thanks, Zoya. Honestly, I used to be exactly like you. My heart would beat fast and I wouldn't know what to say. I still feel nervous sometimes, but I've learned a few simple tricks that really help.
Please tell me. I want to make new friends, but I always freeze when I have to start a conversation in English.
Okay, first, don't try to be perfect. People don't expect perfect English, they just want someone friendly and real. Start with something simple about the situation. For example, "Hi, I'm Zoya. What brought you here today?" Or, "The speaker was really good, wasn't she? What did you think?"
That sounds easy, but what if they give short answers? I hate awkward silence.
Good question. Use the Ford method: family, occupation, recreation, dreams. Ask open questions like, "What do you do? How do you usually spend your weekends? What are you passionate about these days?" These questions help the conversation flow naturally.
I like that. But sometimes I worry about my grammar or pronunciation. It makes me overthink everything.
I understand that fear completely. Here's the truth: confidence comes before perfection. Speak even if it's not perfect. Most people respect the effort. The more you practice starting small talks, the more natural it feels. I started with just one new person per week. Now it's much easier.
That's inspiring. Last month, I went to a language meetup but left early because I felt too shy. I really regretted it later.
We've all been there. The key is preparation and self compassion. Before any event, prepare 3 easy openers and 2 follow up questions. And if you make a mistake, just smile and say, "Sorry, English is not my first language, but I'm working on it." People actually find it charming and honest.
You're right. I always forget that being vulnerable can actually help build connection. So, next time, I'll try to stay a little longer and talk to at least two new people.
That's the spirit. Small, brave actions every time. And remember, making friends is not about being the most interesting person. It's about being interested in others. Listen more than you speak at first. People love that.
Thank you so much, Kabir. I already feel more confident. Talking with you always motivates me to try harder.
Anytime. We can even practice together before the next event. Let's support each other. You've got this, Zoya.
Yes, small steps, real confidence. And that's how you start building real connections in English. Small, brief conversations every day. Comment below. What's your biggest struggle? Starting conversations or keeping them going? Like this video, if it helped you, and subscribe for more real confidence English every day. See you tomorrow.